This brief tutorial will guide you how to fix Amazon not refunding my money. When a purchase doesn't turn out as expected, such as receiving an item in the wrong size, Amazon Pay provides a straightforward process for requesting a refund or an exchange. Here's how you can initiate this process. Visit the Amazon Pay website by going to pay.amazon.com and log in with your Amazon credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section titled Check Your Amazon Pay Orders. Look for the specific order you have an issue with and click on Details next to it. In the order details, you will find an option labeled Choose a Problem Type. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Request Return, Refund, or Cancellation to specify the nature of your issue. After submitting your request, Amazon Pay will review the status of your order and take appropriate actions to address your concern, whether it be a return, refund, or replacement. This system ensures that your purchases, even when they're not quite right, can be corrected, providing a secure and reliable shopping experience on the Amazon platform or with merchants using Amazon Pay. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. 你们 sure 这样买 fee is to like how I heard